Hi, this is Brian with Double DI, and look, the deodorant that I'm using right now, it's the Speed Stick Power Fresh, and it's very refreshing actually. So as you can see, it's like with a green color and all gray, sober color, and it feels very nice also. A tip that I can give you is don't use it right after the shower. Just wait until you're dry before you're applying it so you can avoid any stain on your clothes. And the other thing that I really like is smell. So as you can see here, it's not even a lot of residue on my finger, and that smell is like a plant salve or herbal mix. Is like entering in a forest when you smell that. If you don't have a perfume with that, you'll be all set, and I can stop smelling it. It's very nice. If you're looking for a deodorant that does the job, that's a very good option. Very good deal as well. So if you can buy this in a 6-pack or 12-pack, that will be a nice option. But hey, that's my point of view.